Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 235 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with entering the menu, so just press this middle button, then go down and left to find the settings. Let's press select. Then we have to enter the system, so the first option, press select and go to the backlight, press select. And as you can see right here, we've got the timeout option, so press select. And here we've got available options from which we can choose. We can start with 10 seconds and end in 120 seconds, so 2 minutes. So it's totally up to you. Just find the option you'd like to use and press select. I will choose 40 seconds. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 40 seconds of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.